Hi everybody, welcome to Teens Make Terrariums. Today I'm going to show you how to use the supplies in the Teens Make Terrariums Pick-Me-Up Kit, available now on Supplies Last. Check out the description to learn how you can request a kit. The kit includes a mason jar, drainage rocks and potting soil, wheatgrass and chia seeds, a random assortment of mini figurines, stickers to decorate your jar, and tweezers to help put it all together. Before you get started on your project, you'll want to soak your wheatgrass seeds in water. Only pour half though, you can save the other half for a second project later. Soak the seeds for 6 to 12 hours. When you're ready to make your terrarium, pour just enough drainage rocks to cover the bottom of the jar. Then you'll add a 1 to 2 inch layer of potting soil. Don't pour it all though, you'll need more for later. You'll want to add just enough water to saturate the soil. I'm using a spoon, but you could also use a spray bottle. Now it's time to add the wheatgrass seeds, which you should have allowed to soak for 6 to 12 hours. You'll also want to get your chia seeds ready, as you can plant some of those now too. After you've added your seeds, spread them out and sow them into the soil. For my terrarium, I try to push most of the seeds to the back half so that I can make room for the figurine on the front half. You can do the same with some of your chia seeds, but there's a lot of seeds and you shouldn't use them all. Save them for another project, like putting them in an outdoor planter where they could grow into a purple flower. After you've sown your seeds, cover them in a thin layer of your leftover soil. Now it's time to add your mini figurines. I like to start by making a foundation of pebbles on the front half of the jar. If you have large hands like me, you can use tweezers to help organize and position your setup. If you do need to use the tweezers to help set up your figurines, it can be a bit tricky to get them set up the way you want them to. With setup complete, the only thing left to do is add a little bit of water and sunshine every day. As you can see, your plants will grow very quickly, and they might even push your figurines over. Within a week, your wheatgrass might have grown well over the top of your jar. Feel free to cut it, it'll keep growing. And if you have a cat, the clippings make excellent cat treats. To demonstrate, here's our Teen Assistant Tuesday's cat, Calcifer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to participate in summer reading to earn this awesome sling bag and sticker, and be entered into weekly gift card drawings. Summer reading lasts until July 31st, so visit spartanburglibraries.org or any SCPL location to get started. And be sure to check out our collection where you can find books for all ages on eating green, ecology and botany, nature crafting, and how to build more advanced terrariums. There's a new virtual teen program happening every Wednesday and Friday this summer, so be sure to stay in the loop by finding us at SCPL Teens.